Hi, I'm Randy Scroback from the YouTube channel Scrow's Nest, and my wife and I, we decided to stay at the Queen Mary before our cruise tomorrow on the Carnival Panorama, and I just want to show you my room. And the interesting thing about this ship is compared to the current ships is all the rooms, like you have to go down a hallway. They don't have exterior doors like on modern cruise ships do. Okay, so come along with me and I'm going to give you a look at our room that we've got here. And surprisingly, it's not bad for a 90-year-old ship. So come along. Oh, and before I forget, you notice there's a door right here. I'll explain that to you once we get inside. So this door is very light and it's very wide too, which is really interesting for an older ship. And you'll notice too, like the original wood and stuff that's framing around the doors. Anyway, the room comes with a king-size bed and more pillows than what you know what to do with. Plus, you get an antique fan and an antique heater, and they're original from the ship. Neither one of them work. So, over here, well, you get a TV. Over here, you get two portholes to look out, which are very cool, but they don't open. So, you get two chairs, a table, then you got a closet here. You have to press this little button to open it. And you got plenty of room in here. Plenty of room in this closet. Plus extra bedding. Okay, now I'll show you the other side of the room. So you get this desk, which is very low. They didn't give you a desk chair with it. And then over here, the outlets. You only get like two here. And then there's another one over there that I'll show you in a second. I don't know if you can see these holes. I don't know what they're for. Probably, I don't know. Anyway, this is how you get your heating and cooling too. There's a couple of these in the rooms, and got a little light. So now I'll show you the bathroom. Here's the bed, the other side. And you come on over here, there's a little space here. Again, there's another one of those vent things for the air and the heat. Over here, where this dressing table is, there is an outlet, there's a light switch, and there is a phone jack. Over here, you think this is an outlet. This is not an outlet. This is an old phone jack. So on to the bathroom. One thing I want to point out, keep in mind this is a ship. There's a nice size lip right there. So be careful. You don't trip. Come into the bathroom. It's an old style bath. And you can see the shower, the tub. And I don't know if you notice, here's the old valves for the tub. At least that's what I assume they have to be. Could be wrong. Over here is your sink. They give you a shelf, a mirror. Here's your toilet. Interesting toilet. The plumbing here. And this, I will show you. You may not, you may know. That's how you flush the toilet. So, as you may recall, I showed you that door out in the hall. Well, if you notice, hinges, and it makes me wonder if at one time people shared the same bathroom. But since then, they've closed it off. And I did look at the room next door to us, and they do have their own bathroom. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Queen Mary. And if you're ever in Long Beach, you may want to think about staying here before you go on a cruise. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll help me out a lot. And travel safe.